In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Gmail account with ease and efficiency. Whether you're accessing your emails to catch up with friends, handle business communications, or simply clear out your inbox, logging in can sometimes be the stepping stone to all those activities. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't have to specifically be Chrome. Any reliable browser of your choice, like Safari, Firefox, or Edge, will work just fine. Once your browser is up and running, go ahead and navigate to Gmail's website. You can do this by typing gmail.com directly into your browser's address bar. When you land on the Gmail login page, you'll see a space asking for your email. This is where you'll need to enter your full email address, such as your name at gmail.com. Be sure to double check for any typos to avoid unnecessary trouble logging in. Once you've entered your email address accurately, simply click the next button right below to proceed. Now, it's time to enter your password. Carefully type in your password, taking care to check for the correct upper and lower case characters, as they are case sensitive. If you find yourself struggling to remember your password and it's saved in Chrome, you might see a prompt that allows you to select your password from a saved list, which can make this process even smoother. After ensuring your password is correct, click Next to continue. For those who have opted for a bit of extra security with Gmail, you may have two-step verification enabled. If so, this is the moment when you'll need to complete it. Whether you receive the verification code via a text message or through an authenticator app, simply input the code when prompted. Remember, these codes are time sensitive, so if you're using an app, make sure you enter it promptly. Subsequently, click Next to finalize the signing in process. Once these steps are done, you'll find yourself face to face with your Gmail inbox. This is your central hub for managing emails. You can start reading, sending, and organizing emails just the way you want. As an optional step, especially if you're accessing Gmail from your personal device, you might want to stay signed in to save time. This is easily done by checking the Stay Signed In box on the login page before entering your credentials. This way you'll avoid the hassle of entering your email and password each time you want to access your emails. And there you go. That's all there is to logging into your Gmail account effectively. I hope you found this guide clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy managing your emails effortlessly.